Welcome to the Records Marine platform. Let's start by creating your account to use the Port Agents feature. Enter your email address, create a password, confirm it, and agree to the terms and privacy policy. Once completed, click Sign Up to create your account. Welcome aboard. Select the Port Agent role to begin setting up your profile. Start by entering your trading name and legal name. Then, add your company registration number and the year your company was founded. Next, write a clear company description highlighting your experience, key achievements. Upload your company logo to complete your profile. Now, add your primary company contact details to your public profile. Select your country and city, then enter your state or province, zip code, and address. Next, provide your website, business email, and contact information. You can also add social media links if available. After completing the details, click Save and Continue. Select your agent types, and choose the categories of services you offer. Add your operating locations. List your offices with their addresses and contact details. Then, manage where your business profile appears in search results by adding search locations and a short business description that highlights your company's capabilities. After reviewing the details, your profile is complete and ready to use. You can also search for port agents, filter by category, and save them to your records. Whenever your company information changes, you can update your profile details. Continue editing in the Business Management Information section by adding or removing details as needed. Boost your business profile for free every 48 hours by activating it manually. Or choose a premium plan after completing verification, select one of the packages above, and receive an automatic boost every 24 hours. Premium profiles appear first in search results. Your profile is ready. Start receiving requests from customers worldwide on Records Marine.